Hi, I'm Kitty Turner, founder of Daily House Publishing. Our company has helped hundreds of people just like you find their voice and become successful authors. You know that writing a book can level up your career and your life. You've found the right place then, and your next step is to download our free gift to you. Bestseller List is the #1 best-selling book on how to start writing, how to keep writing, and how to bust through blocks to a successful career as an author and an entrepreneur. But you might worry, maybe your book's not going to be good enough, or you're choosing the wrong topic to write about. Or maybe you've started the book, but you've run up against resistance and blocks, and it's taking you much longer to complete the book than you thought. Or maybe you have finished the first draft, and now you're faced with a confusing myriad of choices on how to publish. You found your solution, and Bestseller List will show you the way. I can tell you one thing. As an author, when you're holding the first printed copy of your book in your hand, it is real freedom. It is both a personal and professional victory that opens many doors. First, it will position you as an authority in your field or as a novelist. It will earn the trust of clients and peers. Your book will act as your content marketing plan and guide for years to come. More importantly, once you know how to publish and write books, it won't be daunting anymore. It will open the floodgates and you'll be producing multiple books per year. If you're struggling to write that first book, or you're confused about all the publishing options out there, you can do a couple of things. You can visit our free resources page called the Bestseller Academy on dailyhouse.media, or download Bestseller List. It will show you how to start writing, keep writing, and how to launch a successful career in book publishing, and how to reach your audience through engagement marketing. Thanks for watching.